friend, welcome back for speaking English for every single day. I'm so really glad to have you back on this conversation. Okay, in last 2 days, I have probably revealed to you how to improve English with managing a muscle mouth on our face. And so you just put kinda stick, or you could also use pen, the shape stick, and then you put it on your mouth, and then you hold it with your tooth, and then you speak English. Automatically, the muscle mouth are going to move automatically and adjust it the way you speak in English. So this is really important. I already practiced it in last 5 months, and so this is the result. My pronunciation is kinda different right now. And also guys, I also want to show you something. Wait, I will bring you up this one. Oh, this is a barbell. So this is barbell. Yeah, it's pretty heavy, and 5 kg or kilogram per in my right 5 kilogram, and in my left 5 kilogram as well. So my friend, my coworker, gave it this barbell to me because he will be moved. He will be moved to his place outside of Jakarta or outside of Java Island, because I had also say something to him like, why you would not sell it or giving it to all X or Shopee. You put it down and Shopee, and then like you just waiting someone to buy it. But he revealed that I was okay with that. I was okay with that. If I need it, I buy it. I will buy it. So very simple, guys. Yeah. I also got other things from him. So for instance, like I also got this one, the keyboard. Yeah. So this keyboard is really good in condition, and wow, it's kinda like professional keyboard. So this keyboard is used to programmer. Am I a programmer? Yeah, I'm a programmer. So that's why my friend gave it this to me. Okay, and also I had also this one. Wait. Okay. This one. I don't know how to pronounce this, but so the whole stuff in the box, I'm not sure if it's named box, but because the shape is it's kinda box, so it's no matter. I call it out box, and yeah, I I have master. I have this one. It's like for tennis, and this one. I don't know. Yeah. I say thank to him because you know, like just gratitude to having all this stuff free. I didn't do payment to him about all this stuff that I just accept from him. So the entire are just free. Then I really appreciate um, his behavior or his well. And guys, so that's thank you so much.